Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I like to share with you another project for Renea Bouquets, and as you may know, I am guest designing for her, and my second project I'm going to share it with you in just a bit. And I worked with the purse that she has in her shop, and it is just so cute, you guys. It was super easy to assemble. She even has a video on how to assemble it, and I also showed you like a little sneak peek in that first video. In the first video that I made these two cards, so if you want to check out that video, I will have that link in the description box. And again, I used the same Prima paper, the apricot honey, because I wanted everything to match. And then I used this die to make a couple of embellishments just to load up the little purse. And now let me share with you my project. Alright, you guys, so here it is, and look how cute it turned out using all of her stuff from her shop. Her shop is gorgeous, you guys. You really need to check it out. Everything you see here except for the paper is from her shop. The flowers, which are handmade by her, this butterfly lace, this is a white lace that I just cut in half. This is a pleated trim, beautiful. These are wooden pieces. I added some pearls also from her shop. This beautiful butterfly is also from her shop, and it already comes crystal just like you see it right there, ready for you to add in your projects. And there's the side. Remember I shared that I thought I was done with it, but I wasn't. I still needed to paper the sides and the back, which you don't have to paper it, but I did want to. I did not paper the back. So that is, the bottom. So that is the original color. It is white, and you could have left it white. And look how beautiful this is. This is just a cute little purse, you guys. So what I have inside is, I couldn't figure out what to put inside. So I added this gel pen that I just have from my stash. For some reason, I have a ton of pens in my stash, you guys. I have a whole drawer with pens. Crazy. And then also I made this little like booklet, and I used the scraps that I had left over from the laces. So here is the other half of that trim that I share with you. You can see it right there. So there is more of this other trim. I really love these trims. I try to use all of it. And then there is that peach colored one, and this is from that paper collection, and it says, "You have been assigned this mountain to show others it can be moved." And I just got like that lined, those notebooks. I just got a few pieces of sheets. I folded it in half and then stapled it right down the middle. So that's what's inside, so that goes together. And then the couple embellishments that I had mentioned, here is one of them. And someone did ask me how to make a topper without a die. So here is an example. All I did was just got a piece of paper. I cut it to whatever width I wanted it. Then I folded it in half and decorated the top. Very simple. So this is an embellishment. Super cute. I love this combination. And then this is just a flower from the paper collection. And here is another embellishment. Now this one is a little bit more embellished. And look how beautiful this is. So you can see this was a little piece of trim. I added it to there because I'm not going to throw anything away. This little butterfly, a cluster of flowers, and that wooden piece. And then here is the top. So you can see that the width of this would be this right here. So you can see that this is what it would be. You can see that this is pretty wide, you guys. So all I did was just cut it in half. And that's what that looks like. And this is also, this wooden piece is also from her shop. And that is what's inside. And I could have fit more in here if I wanted to. A friend actually suggested that I should have made it and make a wand and make some note cards. And to be honest with you, that was my original idea, was to make some note cards. But then I thought, No, I think I'll just make a few embellishments because I do love making handmade embellishments, and I really wanted to add a pen in there instead of the wand. I didn't want to add a random pen just because, so that's why I ended up making this little notebook, which I love the way this came out. Literally, this is one of those lined notebooks that you can get pretty much anywhere. I folded it in half and then just cut it to size. And this was a scrap piece of paper from that collection. So I cut the lined paper to match this one right here, you know, this pattern paper. So that is it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check the description box for links to these items. I will have all of the Renea Bouquets product in the description box. Also, don't forget to check out her YouTube channel because there you will find videos from the other designers, and you guys, trust me, you won't be disappointed. Her designers are amazing, you guys. Oh my goodness. They create the most elaborate and beautiful projects. And if you love shabby chic, that is your channel to go to. All right, thanks for watching. Bye everyone.